Kia Sportage QL. Hood replacement. 1. Remove the hood assembly, A. After loosening the hood hinge, B. Mounting bolts. 2. Install in the reverse order of removal. Installation notes. Make sure the hood locks, unlocks and opens, closes properly. Adjust the hood alignment. Hood adjustment. 1. After loosening the hinge, A. Mounting bolts, adjust the hood, B. By moving it up and down, or right and left. 2. Adjust the hood height by turning the hood over slim bumpers, C. 3. After loosening the hood latch, D. Mounting bolts, adjust the latch by moving it up and down, or right and left. Hood latch replacement. 1. Remove the front bumper cover. 2. Disconnect the hood lower latch connector, A. 3. Remove the air duct, A. 4. Disconnect the hood latch connector, A. 5. Remove the hood lower latch assembly, A, after loosening the bolts. 6. Install in the reverse order of removal.